Everybody, so we're back over here in the shop. You know the shop, in the backyard, and this is that Chevy Sonic I was telling y'all about. Customer brings it over here, tows it in here, and just basically tells me to get it running for him. Just get it up and running for him. You know, as you can see right here, it's been sitting down. I mean, it's been sitting out there in the woods in a farm somewhere. All that cuttings, all those cuttings you see there is from the weed whacker. I mean, it's fucking trashed. Don't you think it's easy making videos? Not even a little bit. It's hard as hell, but I'm gonna get better at it somehow. I don't know how, but I will get very, very good at making videos.